Making this beautiful clouds illustration is easier than you think. I will guide you to all the steps to learn about the gradient, monoline brush, to make outlines, color filling, and alpha lock. So do remember to share it on the social media. This is the post that I have shared on my Instagram account, and we will recreate its background today. I'm going to select the screen size canvas for this, but you can choose any size of your choice. Add the reference by clicking on this wrench icon, and there you will find the option for the reference. I'm going to move it aside and squeeze down the canvas a little bit. We will start off by creating a gradient for the background. By tap and hold, you can select the exact color you want. I will go for this dark shade of purple. Always remember to create a new layer for every object you are going to draw. I'm going to select the soft brush which comes under the airbrushing folder. You can increase or decrease the brush size from here. Start by applying little pressure with the pen and slowly move upwards. I am applying another layer of this color to make it darker from the bottom. Now I will add this light blue color and will start brushing from top of the canvas. And then in between the blue and the purple, I'm going to add this light pink color. I'm going to add another layer of blue shade from the top. Now I will merge all of these three shades, and for that there is merge tool right beside the brush tool. Tap and hold to select the same brush that you are using for merging. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the brush from here. I have set the opacity to 88%. Start merging the colors with a little pressure. To make outline for the clouds, I'm creating a new layer, and then for the brush, I'm selecting the monoline brush, which comes under the category of calligraphy. To make smooth lines with any brush, watch my other tutorial that I have uploaded recently on my YouTube channel. On this new layer that I have created, I'm going to select the white color to make the outline of clouds. As you can see, the lines I am making are very smooth. After making the outline, I will fill this shape with the same color, so you can drop it like this to fill the color. It's time to do the shading now, but I will put alpha lock on this layer so the color doesn't get out. The first way to do this is to click on the cloud layer, and then you will find the option of alpha lock. And the other way to do is to swipe your two fingers together on the layer to the right side. For the shading, I am going to pick this light purple color, and I am choosing the Oberon brush, which comes under the category of drawing. As you can see that this layer is locked because the color is not getting out. You can undo the action by tapping with your two fingers together on the screen. Start shading by putting light pressure with the pen. The top part of the cloud will be white, so I am shading it white again. Now I will merge this shade a little bit, and for that I am selecting the soft brush. Time to make the second cloud layer. Creating a new layer and selecting the same monoline brush for outline. And repeating the same process of shading for these clouds too. So lock this layer too, and like we did earlier. You can always find the brushes that you have used in this recent section of the brushes library. Adding third and last layer of clouds. As you can see that there is a light cloud behind these dark clouds. To make that, I will copy the first cloud layer, swipe to the left and you will find the option for duplicate. Now lift it a little above the first cloud and select flip horizontal to make it look different from the original cloud shape, and put this layer behind the first layer to move it to the back side and decrease its opacity to 12%. Moving it a little down, At the end, it's time to make the cute little shining stars. For that, I am choosing the monoline brush and making some dots randomly. Let's add this shine on the stars now. I will select the soft brush from the brushes library, setting the opacity to 22% for this. I will not add this shine to all of the stars, but to only 2 or 3 stars. And after that, adding flares to them. You can find the flare brush from the luminance folder. Setting the opacity for this to 80%. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video and want more illustration tutorials, subscribe and follow my YouTube channel.